Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on making the text bold on the Apple Watch Series 10. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you find the text on your watch a little difficult to see, then making it bold can help with this. Follow the steps to learn how to make your watch's text bold. Press the digital crown to open the app menu. Tap the settings cog to open settings. Scroll down settings and select display and brightness. Scroll down the display and brightness settings and turn on the toggle to the right of bold text. As you can see, your watch's text will become bold, making it a bit easier to see. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.